Oilcloth is durable, waterproof, and very easy to clean. It's popular to use for tablecloths or tote bags. It doesn't fray, so there's no need to finish the edges. Oilcloth is easy to cut. Pinning is not recommended because it can leave holes in the oilcloth. Instead, it's best to use clips such as binder clips or paper clips to hold the fabric in place. Use a long stitch length and a medium or heavy needle. Oilcloth can be a little slippery when it comes to sewing. It may help to use a Teflon or a roller presser foot, but a regular foot will work too. For tight curves, you can shorten the stitch length. After a while, you may have to clean the needle to remove the sticky residue from the oilcloth.